Well, the question is, can I review the Legacy Builders program in like 5 minutes or less? And I can. And the best way to do it really is just to promote a link. Okay, just tell you my link and just watch a couple videos by the creator founder of Legacy Builder program, the great Michelle O'Neill. Okay, so I'll just do this. Boom. I'll shrink up. I'll just kind of hang out down below here on the right. Okay, solveproblemnow.com. All right, just click the darn thing, write it down or visit it later. All right, solveproblemnow.com. And you're going to come to a website that looks exactly like this. Okay, go ahead and just put your email address in and hit yes, get my blueprint now. Okay, don't worry, you're not buying anything. You're just going to watch video about what this opportunity is. Okay, so click the blue rectangle button. Boom, it's going to say thank you. And this is Michelle. Check it out. Here she comes.
Congratulations for looking.
All right. Now, very smart lady. I'll tell you what, she knows her stuff. Okay. 6 kids. I'm sure she's just one tough lady. I'll tell you what, raising 6 kids, that's tough, guys. But I'll tell you, her advice, her marketing techniques, the way that she teaches on video, she does live Zooms, live training. She's a maniac. And I love it because I like to do about 5 videos a day on YouTube, sometimes as high as 7 to 10. But I love doing video. I think it's highly effective. And if video isn't for you, don't worry about it. You don't have to do any videos to be successful with this opportunity. Her courses are outstanding. And I'm a pain in the ass. When it comes to training or advice or what works and what doesn't, I have my own opinions as of, June of 2024 as I sit here. But I can tell that she has a lot of experience at being interesting, at being compelling, at being smart, probably trial and error. I think she's probably done a lot that has worked and has not worked. But when I watch her training, I sit there nodding almost 90% of everything that she teaches. And it could be social media training, okay, or TikTok, Facebook, email. Everything is included in these courses, okay? But the first thing I need you to do is just go to solveproblemnow.com, and then you're going to get to this page, and I want you to listen to Michelle for a few minutes. Then you're going to click down, just read below the video here. It just has some testimonials, but you're going to click the blue button, all right? And we're going to go to another page. All right, here we go. And it's Michelle just talking for a little bit more. And listen to her YouTube video. Okay, let me download it here. Sorry it's taking so slow. I'm uploading and downloading a million videos as I produce this right now. My computer's like, help. Okay, so watch Michelle here. Okay, and go ahead and just read. There's a little bit more read. All right, it only takes a minute or so, okay? And then go ahead and click the blue button again. And this is where I want you to spend about 5-10 minutes and just read about this opportunity. Okay, because if you want to join Legacy Builders program, all right, you got to realize there's some setup. Okay, you're going to set up exactly what I just showed you here. Okay, you're going to have your own exact website. All you got to do, if you want, this is what I definitely advise: get yourself a business card. Go to like Vistaprint. All right, I went to GoDaddy and bought solveproblemnow.com, and then I just forwarded it to the beginning of this opportunity with Michelle talking, because her videos, she just takes you on a little journey. They're short little videos. And if you get to this page here, which is the third in, this is where you're just going to sit for about 5-10 minutes and just read. All right, you can look at my giant forehead too. And look at all the toys and all the crazy stuff I have at my radio station. You can see behind this video here that I have an addiction to Hot Wheels and Legos. Just read. Take your time. There's no rush to join this opportunity. I want you to believe in it. And when you buy this course, I'll tell you what, guys, you are going to be qualified to make $900. Okay? And I'm talking a day or more. Did you hear that? 900, not 90, not 9. There's a lot of people. In fact, 24,200 people now belong to this opportunity here. And I'm scrolling. I'm just showing you. There's some little things to read. And there's plenty of buttons too, where if you make a decision to go ahead and buy, all right, and I'll show you right here. All right, you just hit the green button if you'd like to buy. And if you want to even finance, if you have a credit card, Discover card, American Express, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. All right, they even have opportunity, let's see, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay. There's a lot of companies that will let you use your credit card, regardless of where you live. Okay, I'm just in America. But the blue button, this is kind of cool for people. Okay, so if you want to do some payments, then go ahead. Okay, and like I said, sorry my website is so slow right now. What I did is I'm uploading like 3 or 4 videos right now to my YouTube channel. Okay, but if you'd like to buy this course, just put your name, your address in, and you can break the payments up. You guys work it out. You know what you can afford, okay? Now, if you're gonna go ahead and just say, I kind of believe in this. I think I dig these courses. I think that I would like to make $900 a day. But I want you to believe in it, like for real. Because most people think you got to be a doctor, a lawyer, a rock star, an actor. You got to have some type of skill like an investment hedge fund guru, or maybe you create something that's on sale at every Walmart across the country. Okay, there's a lot of people that make $30,000 a month. Guys, you don't have to have an education. You don't have to be from a family, that maybe spoon fed you and give you 30 grand a month on a trust fund. All right, I got kicked out of high school, but I'm real good at just presenting an opportunity, being honest, trying to be as likable as I can, I guess, on a video here, and making it crystal clear. All right, solveproblemnow.com. What's the problem? Probably what? Financial problems? Maybe you're bored, you're retired, you want a business. Why not do it online? Guys, all I do is invite people to solveproblemnow.com. After you do all the setup, that's all you're going to do. And after you join, you've got a ton of live. See this Access community? This is the back office. Okay, look at that. 24,200 people right now have joined this opportunity. It's exciting. All right. And you can ask some questions here if you'd like. The great Michelle O'Neill, she does teachings every day, freshen things up. She's a maniac. I love it. Okay. And then at the very top, all right, you can just write just right here. It's just like posting like on Facebook. Tons of support. They have live Zoom trainings too. There's a calendar. See where it says calendar? Just click that. There's classroom. All right. But you got to realize there's a lot of high-powered training. And this course is easily worth way more than $900. Okay. Are you going to find people that are going to buy this for $900? Oh, yeah. Definitely. All right. And that $900 is all yours. This company has nothing to do with the accepting of the payment. You're going to go to Stripe or PayPal or maybe Square. So if someone buys this course for $900, guys, it is yours. You have to pay tax on it. Just don't be crazy and spend all your money. All right. If you make $100,000 to $200,000, $300,000, you got to save a little bit. Okay. You got to pay tax on that. But just remember, there's plenty of support when it comes down to this opportunity. Okay. You can also have the company help you set up. Okay. So if you get halfway done, see where it says tech done for your services. Okay. So relax. Sometimes the setup process, you might not just have time, but you just go to Stripe, you go to Square, you go to PayPal. Just get the accounts open first. That's what I recommend. Okay. And then just watch short little videos. What I recommend is just mirror. Watch a video, pause, do it on your other screen. Watch a video on setup, pause it after 20 seconds, do exactly what Michelle here. There's 2 Michelles. There's Michelle O'Neill, and then there's Michelle here. She's a really good teacher. She helped me set up this whole thing through her videos. Okay, and here I am. All right, but it's up to you. You can definitely pay a couple of bucks and have them 100% set this up for you. And they'll do a 30-minute Zoom call just to explain things and ask them 100 questions if you could do it in 30 minutes. Okay? Or maybe more. Maybe they'll give you 37 minutes. Who knows? It's up to Michelle here. She's a real nice lady. Okay? So just make a decision. Do you want a legit business that really does churn cash? Because if someone buys this $100 course, guys, it goes right into my account. $300, $600, $900. All right? I can't stop people from buying these courses. Okay, they don't call me first and say, hey, can I buy? I just wake up and if people buy the $900 course, which most people do, that 900 goes right into my account while I'm sleeping, while I'm eating, while I'm messing off, while I'm brushing my teethies. Okay? So anyway, guys, can I explain Legacy Builders program in 5 minutes? No, because I'm at 10 minutes. I just can't, it takes 10 minutes to always explain opportunities like this, but I'll just make it simple. Let me just show you my card again. Guys, just go to solveproblemnow.com. Watch Michelle. You'll like her. Very cool lady. And her courses are outstanding. And it don't matter if you own a pizza shop, a gym, if you're on Amazon, if you have a network marketing company, MLM, it don't matter. These courses can help you kick butt, all right, in a lot of areas online. But the most important thing is people are going to buy these courses with or without you. Okay? And when they buy the $900 package, which most people do, that 900 is going to go straight into your pocket. Okay? And I'm warning you again, you got to pay taxes. So you make $900. All right? If I find out, I'm going to email you and go, you better save a little bit onto the side. All right, guys, you take care. Thanks for your time. I know I did it in 11 minutes and 20 some odd seconds and not 5 like I thought, but it's a cool company. I think you'll like it. All right, Legacy Builders Program. That's the name. It's that simple. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you'll watch some more of my videos. All right, have a good day. We'll see you soon.